If you people are searching for some modern outdoor metal furniture ideas, then you are at the right place. Thanks for being here and thanks for supporting us. Your response regarding our channel is so phenomenal. So in this video, we are going to show you some amazing designs and the ideas of outdoor metal furniture. Outdoor metal furniture has become popular choice for homeowner and businesses alike due to its durability, versatility, and the modern aesthetic. Metal furniture can add a sleek touch and a contemporary touch to any outdoor space, whether it's a patio, deck, or the garden. If you are looking for some ideas on how to incorporate outdoor metal furniture into your outdoor living area, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore various ideas for outdoor metal furniture that can elevate your outdoor space and create a stylish and functional environment for relaxing and enjoying and great outdoor sitting. Outdoor metal furniture are a great option for those who love to entertain guests or enjoying outdoor sitting with families and friends. Outdoor metal furniture with matching chair can create a sophisticated and elegant look in your outdoor space. Optional for metal dining with a powder coated finish to ensure its weather resistance and can withstand the elements, paired with color cushions for add some comforts and the style. Metal lounge chair are perfect for creating a cozy and inviting seating area in your outdoor space, whether you are by the pool or on the deck or in the garden. Metal lounge chair can provide a comfortable seating for relaxation and the soaking up the sun. Look for a metal lounge chair with adjustable recline option and the padded cushions for maximum comfort. You can also add a side for convenience where you can place your drink, snacks, and the books. Metal benches can add a touch of elegance and the functionality to any outdoor space. They can be placed in various areas such as along a path, near a garden, or under a tree, and provide a comfortable spot for sitting. Metal bench can be designed with intricate pattern or simple lines depending on your style preference. Consider opting for a metal bench with a backrest for added comfort and the support. Bistro set care is a classic choice for outdoor sitting. A metal bistro can bring a chic and stylish look for your outdoor space. Metal bistro sets typically include a small round table and a two chair, making them ideal for small outdoor areas like balconies, patio, and the tiny gardens. Look